Hi, this is about a self-management research study. This movie is for students who are in the control group, and it is about the parent-informed consents. Researchers at George Mason University are conducting a study. One group of students will be receiving instruction using a new technique, and the other group will be receiving their teacher's typical instruction. You are in the group where you will be receiving your teacher's typical instruction. However, to compare your performance to the other group, specific assessments need to be given. Some of these assessments are similar to or identical to what your teacher gives anyway. In order to participate in this research study, your parents need to read and give their permission by completing this parent-informed consent. The information on these 2 pages provides all of the information that your parents would need to know, including how to access the researchers if they have questions. One part of the research is that the researchers are watching classroom instruction. Researchers might be in the classroom or recording by a video camera. If they use a video camera, some students might appear on the video. However, it's important to know that the researchers are not focusing on students. The researchers are focusing on the teacher's instruction. But because students may appear in a video, parents need to let the researchers know whether that is okay or not. At the bottom of this page 1, your parents check the first box if you do not need to be seated outside of the range of the video, and they check the second box if they do not want you to be in any of the video. On the second page, here on the second page, parents are asked to keep 1 copy of this parent-informed consent for their records and return the signed copy to the teacher by a specific date. Notice there are 2 boxes here as well. Parents check the top box if they agree for their child to participate in the study. They check the second box if they do not agree for their child to participate in the study. Either way, parents are asked to complete the yellow highlighted sections, sign their name and date, and indicate your name, the student's name, in that area. Students, it's very important that your parents have completed all of the yellow highlighted areas and indicated their preferences before you return the parent-informed consent to your teacher. You need to return the parent-informed consent by the date your teacher identifies. He or she will tell you that date after this video. If every student in this class returns the parent-informed consent by the identified date, your teacher will contact one of the researchers to send pizza. Here's a picture of one of the pizza boxes after some students at another school all returned their parent-informed consents by the identified date. Sometimes, if the students have all received pizza, they might complete the student assent forms on that same date. Of course, this is after the parent consent forms are returned. The student assent forms are also a 2-page document, and there's some specific areas that your teacher will go over with you that you need to indicate yes or no and give your name, signature, and today's date. Now, on the date that all parent-informed consents are due, the teacher will raffle 1 gift card. Only students who have returned their parent-informed consent are eligible for this raffle. And the raffle, it might be a Subway gift form, from Cold Stone, from iTunes, or Starbucks. Thank you for listening to this, and please have your parents complete the parent-informed consent and return it by the date your teacher identifies. Thank you.